market, 74 points greed. Yesterday 74 points. Last week we had a neutral with 54 points, and last month we had extreme greed in the market with 78 points. So still greedy, the market is still greedy. Here is the coin market cap. What's going on? Bitcoin's going up with 1.29%. Look at the 7 days. Bitcoin is pumping with 12.2%. Look at this chart on this 7 days. It's a green, nice bullish chart. Ethereum is pumping extreme on with over 2,000 US dollar, 4% in the plus 40 day. On 7 days it's going up with 23%. Look at this chart. Guys, I told you Ethereum, it's going to 2,600. It's very possible. I have a long position in Ethereum and it's very possible to see 2,600. I told you Bitcoin, it's possible to see 70,000 or maybe 67,000. I have also a long position on Bitcoin. I told you this on my videos. And what's going on with the Binance coin? Binance coin is also in the plus, about 10%. It's in the plus on 7 days with 39%. And I told you it's possible for Binance coin to go up to 444 US dollar. I'm still in a trade here on Binance coin and it's going up very nicely. ADA is not so good, 1.2%, it's going up in the weekly, 1.6% in the minus. Polkadot is going up a little bit in the weekly, nice bump with 20%. XRP is going up a little bit with 4%, also on the weekly 4%, 4.6%. Uniswap is going down a little bit in the weekly, slightly up with 3.9%. Litecoin is going up with 4% in the weekly, 13%. Chainlink on the daily, 1.3%, in the weekly, 16%. Look at Filecoin. Filecoin, a big minus today, about 14.4%, but on the weekly, 92.92%, extreme. Tesla, it's going up a little bit. In the weekly, it's going down. Bitcoin Cash going up in the weekly, also going up, and so on and so on. That is the big overview of our big coins here. What coin is the biggest winner? The biggest winner for today is Helium. It's going up with 25%. Also good. HOT is going up with 20%, and EOS is going up with 15%. What is the biggest loser on 24 hours? It's Filecoin with 14%, Swissborg 10%, and Arweave with 9.48%. Okay, let's check the technical. Here is the quick overview. What is telling us TradingView? What is or are telling us the oscillators and the moving averages on the daily? Buy strong buy that Bitcoin on 4 hours. Buy strong buy that Bitcoin on 1 hour. Buy Bitcoin on 15 minutes. We have a sell. Okay, all is looking bullish. All is looking very nice here for Bitcoin. Let's check it now. Before we start, greetings to my boss of my channel. I have a live stream out there 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's on Twitch and YouTube streaming. My boss of the channel is momently Elios72. Greetings out there to my big boss, and greetings also to my big supporter here, Math Matthew, momently number 1 Jira, Klima number 2 Jira, and Fernandes is my number 3 Jira. Greetings and thank you for supporting me. Also, guys, thank you very much for Subcritical with 6 gifts, and Rohit's Rage with 5 gifts here on Twitch. Guys, thank you very, very much for supporting me. Every bit, every gift, every single Bitcoin or what else, everything is helping me to keep this channel online 24 hours, 7 days a week. It's a hard work for me and it's a hard thing. Okay, guys. Now, let's check this one. Here is TradingView. Here is the 1 hour chart from yesterday. So, we have some things to watch, guys. We have maybe this cup and handle pattern. Look at this. We have maybe a breakout target to 69,000. That's my 70,000 target. We have also an inverse shoulder head shoulder. We have a breakout target about 66,000. So in my opinion, it's not impossible to reach 68,000. This is the next Fibonacci, 161.8%. We have our big thing to watch. This is this red resistance, and we are still in this big red resistance. As long as we are in this big resistance, we have a little problem. We must come over this resistance. Yes, I am on a long position, but guys, it's very important to come over this golden pocket 59,400. It's on it's the 78.6 Fibonacci, and we must come over this. It's very, very, very important, guys. So that's the main thing for the 1 hour chart. What is telling us the EMA ribbon? The EMA ribbon is telling us everything is fine. When we can see it, yes, here it is, everything is fine. It's working as a nice support here on the 1 hour chart. And yes, with the EMA ribbon on the 1 hour chart, everything is okay, everything is fine. What is telling us the MA21? We spiked again on the MA21. This is a good support momently, but we are fighting with it. The problem is momently we are going under this golden pocket. That's very, very bearish. We need to stay alert here, guys. I have a stop loss also here because this is momently a very bad thing. We've lost this golden pocket support, and that's a very, very, very bad thing. We need to stay over this golden pocket for pumping more and more and more. You know, guys, I have a ABC correction here. This is this one here. I had a point to the downside. Then, in this opinion, this was the B point to the upside. It's normally it's not good that this is the highest point. So I have a little problem here with this ABC correction. It's not working here so as I would like to see it to work. So it's momently not the best thing to see at this. Let's wait what's going on with this ABC correction. For the moment, the biggest thing is we need to stay over 78.6 Fibonacci, but we are momently under this. We are spiking again under this. You can see it spiking under this, going up again, close the candle, spiking under this, going up again. Now we are going down again and spiking again. We need to fight here against this one here. What is telling us the MACD? MACD for the 1 hour chart is here, and you can see the MACD is momently bearish. You can see the blue line crossed here the brown line. That's a bad thing. We are buying red candles. The first red candle is here, bearish thing. We need to stay attention, guys. We need to watch this on the 1 hour chart. This is a bad thing. Momently we are going down 59,200 and it's going down momently. Not so good in my opinion. What is telling us the 4 hour chart? I think the 4 hour chart is looking better here. 4 hour chart, let's check this here. And also on the 4 hour chart we have a bearish MACD, blue line under the brown line. But look here at this. We have a nice thing to watch. This is the ribbon band. We have a green ribbon band, a long position since here. We have a MA21 here as a support, and we are over this MA21. So everything is momently okay here. On the 4 hour chart, this is not working. We can give it away. And we have no parallel channel to watch momently. The only thing we have to watch for the parallel channel is this upgoing parallel channel. We are for the first in the big uptrend. You can see it. This is our big long time uptrend. Okay, everything is nice. Everything is okay. And the good thing is we are over the middle line. Perfect. The other stuff is we have a uptrend in the uptrend, and we can draw it here also from here to here. Let me check this. From the downside to the upside, something like this here and like this here. It's a green one, and we are on a green, and we have to see more here like this here. So the bad thing is this is an uptrend in an uptrend for sure, but we are now under the middle line, and that's working as a resistance. So we have some problems here with our Bitcoin momently. You can see it. We are spiking under this golden pocket with a 4 hour chart also. Guys, that's very important. Every candle is here 1 hour. Look at 4 hour. Look at this here. We had here a big nice candle over this 4 hour, over this Fibonacci line. This was a good point to go in here. We had a closing candle over this, so we had a confirmed breakout. Going down again, spiked again, this perfect. But now this one is really, really, really ugly, guys. And if we are spiking again here under this last low, this is a very important point to watch, this point here. If you are spiking under this point, we may see here the next correction. 57,900 is a possible point to go out if you have a long position from here, because this was the last low here, and this is, in my opinion, one of the biggest points to watch momently. Also a big point to watch is this line here. It's our support momently, and we have to watch this line. This is on, let me check it, something like this, 58,000. As long as we are over this MA21, everything is fine. As long as we are over this ribbon band, everything is fine. But if we are falling down here and maybe under this 57,900 or 58,000, we may have a problem to go down again, guys. Keep this in your mind, and you have to watch this. Okay, what's going on with the, let me check the daily chart here. The daily chart is this one here, and let's remove all drawings again, and here we are. The daily chart is looking okay, it's looking fine. Ribbon band is here, MA21 is here, it's our support. This is not so bad moment. We can draw a nice uptrend from the downside to the upside, and this is a very nice thing. On the daily, everything is fine. The fight now momently is on the middle, is on the 4 hour chart and on the 1 hour chart. The good thing is on the daily chart, look at this. We are building higher highs. As long as we are building higher highs, it's a good thing. If we keep going on down here and we're spiking under this point, this is a problem. Let me check this one here. This point here is an important point. This was the last low, and yes, 58,000. If we are going under 58,000, guys, we have a problem. We have to watch this. This is very important because this is our next lower low, and we have to watch this. So as long as we are in this direction, everything is fine. Everything is okay. Guys, MACD is on the 1 hour chart bullish. Look at this. The blue line is over the brown line. This is a fine thing. Everything is okay. On the daily chart, everything is fine. Everything is working. Let me check one thing again. Let me check the RSI. What's going on with the RSI? RSI, Relative Strength Index, and let me check this here. So this is the RSI, and yes, I have still the same problem as every time here since long. The RSI has a bearish divergence here that's going down like this here, and the price of Bitcoin is going to the upside. You can see that's a bearish divergence, and yes, it's possible to play out this, and it's possible, guys, that we may build here. That's also a thing we have to watch. Look at this here. Maybe we are building now a shoulder head shoulder. It's possible. I see it now here. Here's maybe a shoulder. What is this? A shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. And if this is a shoulder head shoulder, guys, we have really some problems here because that's a bearish pattern. And if this will play out, we have really, really big problems. How can we draw here the line here? Maybe from this to this, this is the baseline. It's possible, or maybe from the deepest point, or from here over here to here. I think that's better. Maybe, guys, this is our baseline, and as long as we are over the baseline, everything is fine. But if we may break out this shoulder head shoulder, it's not a confirmed pattern, nothing, guys. It's only just a thing we have to watch. Maybe it may go down to this, and see what's coming from the downside here, guys. It's not the Easter rabbit here what's coming from the downside. No, it's the EMA 200. Momently the price is on 34,000, but if this pattern will play out, look at this 36,000. Oh my god, oh my god. So okay, I'm not telling you guys it's going down to 36,000. I'm only showing you it's possible. But we have to break the middle line, the MA21, the ribbon band, the baseline, and so on and so on. So momently everything is fine, everything is good. We are going to the upside, but we have to watch this, guys. It's not unimportant to watch these points. We have to be, or we should be, prepared for all things. Everyone is telling us momently, pumping, go buy Bitcoin. But we always should take a look back here, what's going on to the downside, what's possible. Momently we have no higher high here. This was the highest high. Okay, this was our all-time high momently. And as long as we're not building a higher high, everything is possible. Maybe we are forming a right shoulder. This would be an extreme bearish thing here, guys. So that's it for the daily overview for Bitcoin. Today, no commercial, no. Biti will not tell you to buy this t-shirt. Biti will not tell you to make a donation. And Biti will tell you, guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there. I wish you a very, very nice Easter rabbit, einen schönen Osterhasen, ein schönes Osterfest, a very nice Easter family thing. I wish you the best of luck, and guys, go to the outside. It's so nice out there. It's sunny, it's warm, and look at the nature. Don't look 24 hours, 7 days a week on the chart, but guys, look 24 hours, 7 days a week on this here. It's very important. It's Bitcoin Trading Informant, streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week. You see black picture, and here it is. Guys, thank you very much for watching. I wish you the best of luck. And one thing, guys, it's very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Bye-bye. Greetings. Your BT, your Bitcoin Trading Informant.